unboxing the new season 4 Hatchimals. There are different types of Hatchimals. This is the Hatchy Home. One is the Glittering Garden. One is the Fabula Forest. And one is the Breezy Beach. And you can get these from Entertainer. You know what you're going to get because it tells you the picture. They're not different options. When you get different eggs, then you don't know what you're going to get. I have a separate egg that I bought from Entertainer. In this, you will not be knowing what you will get because it's not from the Hatchy Home. Now let's start opening our Hatchimals. It doesn't have cells, so you need to put AAA cells in this. And when you put the animal, it lights up. There's a little heart that lights up. Put it here, light comes in. There are 3 levels. First it's brighter, then it gets a little darker, and then it shuts. So I used nail filer and a little bit of it chipped off, you can see here, and now it's easier to break. Now I'll just press it and boom, it breaks. Oh, can you see this, guys? Isn't it